My name is Juan Manuel. Uh, Thing two, interesting place in my city. You are going to imagine you are a travel agent. You are going to record a video as let touristic place and your tour of city. You have to appear in the video all time and show the place in real time. You have to uh, ensure night of play. How can you there? What can you do here? Can you find sober there? Which owns? What can food? Uh, can can you eat on the what? White? Which is nice spot to take food there? White. Um, Comuna 13 is famous. I put imagine there you can go of graffiti tour. You can go by car, bus, metro, of motorcycle. In the store, they have shows, beautiful graffiti, people dancing, and the target, and you above the story above place. Eh, in the last century, President went there by basically this type, and they make a basic angry me. After that, Comuna 13, they keep the pricing. You can try a lot of different foods, and of them of delicious. The best spot the pictures in the beach graffiti.